Okay, we're at the Ho Chunk Casino in Wisconsin Dells, and this is Trixi, the Speed Maverick dog. Trixi from Speed Racer, that's why she got her name. Anyway, we are at the hotel. We're getting ourselves all set up for our RV spot. We're going to be spending the day here, and we're going to be doing our tour of the car show. Okay, the Fall Ford Fest is underway. We are checked in at the RV park, and this is a little scan of what's going on. This is a really nice little place here. It's got some great features. Welcome. Yep. Were you involved in quiet mode?
Oh my God, you came in today.
How are you doing?
Well, hi there.
Shit, I didn't think you were going to be here.
GT40.
How'd everything go out there? Good?
You're saying lucky?
Once again, welcome to the annual Ford Fest Cruise for a Cause. We've got plenty of cars for you guys to look at while you're walking around. If you're building up some hunger, we've got all sorts of vendors with food. I got gyros on my right, but if you're looking at me, it's your left. And then we got the smokehouse next to me. Everything smells delicious. They put me here for a reason, I think. If you were wondering where the free play is, that is at the Great Marketing Tent, which is the tent directly to my left if you're looking at me, right if you are looking away. And we also have Best in Class being sponsored by none other than Scott Spurl with Haggerty Insurance right in the middle there. If you have classic cars and you're looking for some insurance for your classic car, please stop by there. You can also see the trophy for Best in Class.